believe too. I believe we can hold on. Our love is so strong, but I need you to hold on to. But I need you.
Hello, traders. Happy Easter. Jesus has risen, and Bitcoin's trying to, emulate Jesus a little bit today. It's a very special day. He died for our sins. You can believe it or not, that's cool. But yeah, we do celebrate it here. We're not like Google or the Biden administration, okay? So hype in the chat for Jesus. And hype in the chat for the quarterly candle close, the monthly candle close, the weekly candle close, the daily candle close in less than 1 hour. So it is beyond power hour. It's
time for Power Hour.
like Hulk crazy, gone insane power hour, right? The power hour of all power hours is unfolding before our eyes. So welcome to the stream. Okay. Roll Tide, Alabama, first Final Four ever. That's my alma mater. So let's go there. A lot of crazy stuff, man. All right, so we're just looking at Bitcoin on the daily. And we are going for our 5th highest daily candle close in human history, which is pretty good. Go to the weekly. Going for the highest weekly candle close in human history, and another formal bullish breakout above the old all-time high from November of 2021. Massive bullish engulfing candle unfolding. I mean, if this stuff doesn't get you kind of a little excited, a little intrigued, I don't know. Who are you? Who are you people? Excuse me. All right. Dang, man, really disappointed in Duke's performance. If you don't know, Vet Moon Boy is a Duke graduate, and we agreed that if Alabama and Duke were going to play each other in the Final Four or in the national championship game, we'd go together. But rip, Duke can just not get it going. So looks like it's done. I mean, miracles happen, but anyway. So that weekly right there is spectacular. History on Easter. Give me some Easter eggs, okay, some resurrections, and some massive green candle closes. Can you hear me? Oh, by the way, got the new Ethernet cable. That was the problem. So we're good. We're not going to have these weird interruptions where the stream just cuts off. We're good. So let's go to the monthly, because that's also closing. All right, it goes without saying that it will be the highest monthly candle close in human history. And then here is the 3-month candle, chat.
$18.10 from Conrad Hawkinson, Palm 118.
Conrad,
he is risen.
Really?
Let's take a look at Jesus Coin
you
just for
misspelled
kicks.
Psalm, you made it Palm. And then you're shilling an S coin on Easter Sunday. Come on, dude. Read the room. Read the room. Okay? Jesus Coin is not Jesus at all. It's not. They're different. Okay? So thanks for the contribution. My God. If you're going to tip like that, just don't tip today. You know, it's like if you want to tip, you know, leave a request, but let's not bring Jesus Coin into Easter Sunday. Thank you. All right, so this monthly, quarterly candle going to be closing in 46 minutes along with the other time scales, and it's beautiful. Uh-oh. Oh my God, what? God, no way! Effing stream's ruined. It sucks not being able to hear yourself, and oh my God, dude. Okay, hello. Dude, the whole stream is like ruined. Can we start over, man? Like for real? It's pretty bad, dude. It's pretty bad because I've heard myself speak with the echo, and it's kind of tough, man. So I was really trying to do like some serious analysis, you know, on Bitcoin and get wrecked, everyone. So let's go to Ethereum. This is a big development. Okay, buyers are recapturing a key inflection point from history from 2022. Massive bullish engulfing candle in the works. You're working on the highest daily candle close since March 17th or possibly March 15th. So not bad. Good to see a little bit of life come back into this asset. It was kind of, you just can't really feel great about assets when they trade below overhead resistance and they stay below it. But when you get candles like this, you can breathe a little easier and just understand if it's real, if this engulfing candle is real and there's follow through. I mean, you do have a $4,000 target above 35.80. That's just the way it goes. That was the way it was. I mean, March 4th. Yeah, target would be like 4,020 if this was real. So nice. They're going to probably attempt this rally here. Could go for an 886 from this high to low. That'd be nice. Okay, so let's look at the weekly candle. It's close to engulfing, but not quite. You need a little bit more action in the next 44 minutes if you want to truly say we're going to bullishly engulf. Okay. And then we go to the monthly. Monthly, wow, this is good. Ethereum working on its highest monthly candle close since December of 2021. And this will be your fourth highest monthly candle close ever. Kind of crazy to think about. Like you're trading below the 70. You went up and you tested the 786. Okay. And you pulled back a lot. And you're still working on, again, the fourth highest close ever on the monthly. Of course, the highest close of the run, of the rally, of the uptrend. Okay. And then we'll go to the quarterly. Man, if there was just a little bit more demand on Ethereum, you'd be getting your highest quarterly candle close ever. So it looks like it's gonna play out where it's the second highest quarterly candle close ever. The first being the highest being October 2021 with a candle close of $3,675.80. Okay. So just shy, but that's big. That's a big deal. That's big time, man. Look at this engulfing candle catching some follow through. Beautiful. Okay. We're just gonna do a little rundown. I just continue to do the rundown of the big ones like this, just because why not, man? Like where you gotta be. So let's go to BNB. That exceptional. Remember, we have identified that it is the second best performing major altcoin. And here it is on the daily.
£10 from JJ. Praise the Lord. Jesus is alive.
JJ, thank you so much for the £10 sweat on in it, mate. Yep, Jesus is alive. He did it, man. Okay, did it for us. Thank you, man. That's right, or roll tide. So 638, looks like they're going to run to test it again. It's that resistance, that old all-time high from April 2021. You just know, like, I mean, you're up against some big resistance.
Hawkinson. Skip my altcoin request, please. Folded hands. I apologize. Let's take a look at Spell Token instead. Thanks and hope you had a big dinner. Cheers.
Conrad, thank you for the 520. We'll look at Spell Token instead. Thank you, dude. Appreciate that. Jesus appreciates it too. Okay, so BNB, you know, it's kind of underperforming today, but again, second best performer to Bitcoin in terms of its all-time high to its lowest low. Fibonacci retrace. So let's go to the weekly. Super nice, man. You know, as you can see what happened with BNB a couple weeks ago from its all-time high to the lowest low after. a formal 88% retrace and a reaction. Perfect. Isn't that how it goes? And then last week we had a formal bullish back test indecision candle of the old overhead resistance from August 2021. It flipped to support, and now they are bullishly engulfing, right? 40 minutes till it's confirmed engulfing, and you are going to be closing at your highest weekly candle since November 2021. Very good. That's exceptional. Go to the monthly. Monthly going for your third highest monthly close ever. As you can see right here, they tested 621, which was the previous all-time highs on the close. Tested and no higher. So, wow. Let's go to the quarterly. It will be the highest quarterly candle close literally ever on BNB. See, like Ethereum, you can't say that. You're close. Sure, you're close, but you're not. BNB, you are. Bitcoin, you are. Okay. Let's continue down. Let's go to Solana, which is also doing very well. It looks like it's primed for 52-week highs and maybe all-time highs, assuming Bitcoin isn't going to completely, reverse on a new quarter, which it can happen, man. Could also stage a continuation too. This is great, man. Solana, 201 right now, up 3.55%. Working on your second highest daily candle close in years since December 2021. I mean, it's close enough to where it could eclipse that. I mean, before, there's less than 40 minutes. There's plenty of time to get like $1 or whatever is needed. Incredible. I love how they back tested 171. And they're back testing the old channel as support. Now you're running. Currently trading at the highs of the day on Easter Sunday. I'm in the chat. Okay, that's your daily. Here's your weekly. Close to a bullish engulfing candle. Like that's what I'm saying. Like you give me $1 more appreciation in value on Sol. The next 38 minutes for the close. It'll be a bullish engulfing candle. It'll be the highest weekly candle close since November 2021. And it certainly will be one of the highest weekly candle closes ever. In fact, it would be the fourth highest weekly candle close on Sol ever. But you still need like another $1. So it may not, okay? The monthly. Exceptional. Working on, you give me another $1. Looks like you'll be getting your second highest monthly candle close ever, but it looks like if it closed right now, it would be officially the third highest monthly close ever on Sol. You see, there's kind of a trend going, like good things are happening. It's not bad. Excuse me. And great news, Solana quarterly candle closing in 37 minutes. It'll be the highest close ever. So we got some major Jesus chimes upon us. It seems inevitable at this point. Wow. Okay. So you got a taste of the majors. And now we're going to look at XRP because it is a major, but it trades like a minor. Weird. It's the anomalous of the big ones. The anomalous price action and performance. Excuse me. So here's XRP on the daily. Trading at the same price it was trading at in 2017. Trading at the same price it was trading at the beginning of the month. But still, somehow, making higher lows. So congratulations, dude. Eventually you'll be 84 years old. And XRP will be at 91 cents while Bitcoin's at like 90K. Sol's at all-time highs. Ethereum's at 5K plus, and then XRP is like not even going to be close to its all-time highs. Not even half of the all-time high. Okay, whatever. Alex Cobb will defend it. I know. Here's your weekly. Working on your highest weekly candle close since last week. Okay, so XRP not pulling a Jesus at all. Monthly? Well, on the monthly, it'll be your highest monthly candle close since July of last year, so that's okay. I mean, that is kind of significant to a degree. I mean, you're breaking all these other closes, so that's nice. Yeah, again, that's why it could seem optimistic for 76 cents again and then 91 cents. Fine. Okay, let's go to the quarterly. All right, working on your highest 3-month candle close since January 2022. Okay, going for multi-year highs on the close on the quarterly on XRP. But as you can see, right, it's in the S coin. You know, you go to the dentist or something when you're a kid and they've got like a little treasure box, treasure trove, treasure chest. And it's all those like cheap, you know, they're like cool because you're a kid and you have imagination, but they're like really cheap, like toys made in China for sure. XRP's like in that, you know, like all the other ones, like the other major cryptos, they're not in that treasure chest of S coins like XRP and, you know, Storage and QNT, you know, like the little bitty, like, hey, it's a little frog and you hit the back of the plastic and it jumps. It's like, wow, great, man. Okay, that's the rundown of the big three. But we do have some great performance today from a few. The highest performing asset that makes sense would be Bitcoin Cash, at least on my watch list. This is a major breakout unfolding before our very eyes. Today, Bitcoin Cash certainly pulling a Jesus. Breaking 650, overhead resistance way back. From way back, man. Yeah, undeniable. It was an old all-time high from January 2021. Oh, not all-time high, excuse me. It's just a like unreal level. Like, look, it's like a swing low 2018, swing high 2018, swing high again, swing high in 2021. Then it was another reversal, June 2021. Look, another one, October 2021, November 2021. I mean, and you're just breaking it like a hot knife through butter. And the next target's like 730 all the way up to 770. Yeah. So huge stuff on Bitcoin Cash, and the trend's your friend. Remember, like there was so much demand, the sellers confirmed a bottom without even being able to back test that wick high from July 20 or June 2023. Incredible sign of strength right there. It's just been number go up ever since that mega engulfing candle March 20th. Type in the chat. Guess we can do like whatever. I mean, you're gonna see like some good history. Like it's gonna be like the others, like where Bitcoin Cash 3-day. Oh, sorry, we were looking at a 3-day. It's great, you know, but the weekly, it'll be the highest weekly candle close on Bitcoin Cash since November 8th or August of 2021. So multi-year highs on the weekly, incredible. The monthly, it'll be the highest monthly candle close since May of 2021. Incredible. Remember like what happens when you buy low? I know that's like that's like half a year right there, dude. The one mega giga Chad candle. Then just more consolidation, but all those higher lows and just running. Fantastic, man. Okay, and then the quarterly. 3-month candle close. In 32 minutes, it'll be the highest 3-month candle close since April of 2018. So what is that? We're talking like 5-year highs? Yeah, no, 6-year highs? Oh my God, dude. That's... Oh, nothing's really going on. Dude, this is like a huge deal, right? So the last time Bitcoin Cash was trading or was closing at 677 plus, the last time is when I was starting to live stream for the first time ever. Yeah, 6 years ago. Look at the monthly, 3-month, look at the quarterly double bottom here, dude. One low, then the second. They confirmed it. Okay. Who knows where this thing, like 2,300 maybe one day again? We'll see. Sheesh. Bitcoin Cash happening soon. A few days. Okay. 71,100 as the 4-hour bearish Gartley on Bitcoin caught no asks. It reacted a couple times, but those reactions at the pattern completion zone only manifested into the highest low of the entire rally, then the second highest low. What? And then failure. Like, this level is not a joke on Coinbase. $69,000.00 is the November 2021 all-time high, right, on Bitcoin. And as you can see this weekend, they pushed it, but it got to 69,042. So much demand that the sellers are unable to test that level again. That's real life. And look at you now. It's subtle and it's interesting, and it looks like reaccumulation locally, like almost like ascending triangle pennant behavior, right? That's not bad. Above a level, you know, this reminds me of. Let's go back to Bitcoin for a second, because we're looking at Bitcoin dominance and theory of Bitcoin and stuff. This kind of reminds me of this exact same price action right here. I'm not kidding, dude. Like in February, y'all remember this? Where like, oh no, the ETF approval, and then it fell below support, then they recaptured it, and then the price just sat there for like a week, a little over a week, just back testing key levels as support before blowing up at the beginning of February. And it's the exact same type of price action we are receiving right now. Do you get it? To me, it looks like that. And just because it looks like that, it may never play. It's not going to play out the same way, of course, maybe. But like, dude, that is something else. Like, they violated levels, and then they recaptured. They back tested that level as support, and they rallied, and they're recapturing this new level, and they're back testing the support. Now we're engulfing. Remember, we already got the break hook and go. It's still valid, and now it's catching some follow through. Even got to close above the engulfing candle from March 28th. That's beautiful. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. Because remember, Bitcoin dominance is not done. It is, I think it's nearing the conclusion of consolidation and an uptrend, long-term consolidation. But they, you know, it's altcoins are running. Yeah, you're not going to be breaking 54% when Bitcoin Cash is up 13%, Doge is up 10.74%, Theta's up almost 10%, and others, right? But you were just hovering around the highest levels in years. I'm optimistic. The trend is your friend. Do not forget it, Larry. Larry, do not forget the trend is very well established. Go ahead and fight the trend. Be like Man Bun. Fight the trend, and you become a lol cow, and you lose all your money while you become a lol cow.
Huge head tip $25.50. Can you look at $Buddha coin? Buddha/Vith. Thank you. Profound heart. 0.00700000 ETH.
Mr. Head, thank you so much. Blasphemy. Blasphemy, man. What are you doing? Buddha coin on Easter Sunday? People want Jesus coin. Now you want Buddha coin? Can we get some non-religious coin requests on Easter? Thanks.
Bruh.
All right, higher price, higher levels in time. Hey, look, I mean, dude, unless the bots just reallocate, you know, the composite man just flips the switch at the beginning of the new month, the new quarter, things look great, man. On Bitcoin's doing everything you could ever dream of. The only thing that hasn't happened is the Jesus candle. Like the 10K price discovery confirmed candle. It hasn't happened yet. All the all-time highs we've been getting are like short-lived. All-time highs. Then they trip the circuit breaker. You know, Brian Armstrong's like, okay, turn off Coinbase. My maintenance. No. You know, there will be a day in the future where when Bitcoin breaks out and goes to all-time highs, it's not like this short-lived, it's gone. We've been scammed. Oh. No, there's going to be a day where it's like back in 2019 when that thing started running, it was gone. And also in 2020, like when it broke that level, there was never a back test. So you just don't know, though. You don't know if that's coming sooner or later. History has stated that after or leading up to the halvening, you get like a 20-30% correction or 20% correction. We only got a 17.5% correction after hitting all, and we'd never seen all-time highs. So things are already happening that have never happened leading up to a halvening. So I don't know if we could even play it like that. You don't want to do that, because just because it happened in the past doesn't mean it's going to happen in the future. And the environment has changed so much, right? Like with we've reached the event horizon of the debt spiral. The amount of debt that the sovereign nations are taking on every quarter is unprecedented, and that's devaluing fiat purchasing power at the fastest rate, literally in Western history. Like the world order since World War II. Never have we had fiat purchasing power being devalued at the pace that it is right now. Okay, so you have that with institutional adoption of the most inelastic supply asset in the world, Bitcoin. With passive flow every 2 weeks, people don't even know they're contributing to Bitcoin marking up. Like, that's not even really, the party on that hasn't even really started yet. So completely different environment. And eventually, I'm not kidding, like eventually sovereign nations will be, it will be a normal thing for sovereign nations to be acquiring Bitcoin. I think Mr. 100, the guy who's for like 18 months has been purchasing 100 Bitcoin a day every single day. Today, Easter Sunday, he did it, right? I think that's a country. And that's just going to become more normal as, again, power goes from boomers into the hands of millennials every day.
Thinking 6.60.
Mojeep, and thank you for the 20. Thank you, dude. GFI, we can look at that. He's not. Gerard, when did it stop? Must be really recent. Okay. Because I thought he was buying like very recently. Someone update me on that. Oh, by the way, we didn't do this. We didn't ask Jonathan how he's doing on Easter Sunday. How was it, man?
I like turtles. I like turtles.
Jesus. All right, thank you, Jonathan. We all love Jesus. Hype in the chat for Jesus. Big deal happening, actually, if you care, on total market cap, on turtles. 2.577 trillion is a big deal, okay, as it had been tested as resistance since March 25th. Until today, being broken in less than 23 minutes, you will have a confirmed candle close above the old all-time high overhead resistance from May of 2021. That is what we call a breakout. You are breaking back out, and it will be confirmed soon, okay? Not a joke. After buyers back tested 2.3 trillion, they're running it again. Very, very nice. Above this level, outside of the local highs, there's nothing there until 2.93.01 trillion, which is all-time highs. Good God. So let's look at the weekly. Dude, that is beautiful. I mean, are you kidding me? The breakout, the back test now engulfing. You're working on the highest weekly candle close on totals since November 2021, and it will be the either third or fourth highest weekly candle close literally ever.
Crashed
Amazing,
the other day right after I requested XLM. Can we check it
monthly?
out? I was able to.
Oh my God, you're so close. Look how close you are to the highest monthly candle close ever on total. You'll just be second, it seems like, unless a miracle happens. You got to go up another, billion and a half. Yeah, not going to happen. But still, second highest monthly candle close ever is amazing. You're going to have the highest quarterly candle close ever. Whoops. The heck? Took my eye off the ball. All right, there it is. It'll be the highest quarterly close ever. Beautiful, man. Can we please?
Hype in the chat. Look here. Look, listen.
Beautiful stuff. I dig it, man. I dig it. Let's go Ethereum to Bitcoin. Yep. Still looks terrible. You know what it really is? Kind of just outside of this one here, you know what it kind of is. Like, if you're talking about like pattern recognition and stuff like that, it's a right-angled and ascending broadening formation, really. I mean, it's bearish, a very, very, very bearish pattern. It's a bearish continuation structure that started its development October 25th or whatever, 23rd. All right, so once this finally, there's just demand here, right? Someone is propping the price up, but they're only keeping it propped up after massive amounts of distribution, like right, a high, then a lower high, then even another lower high locally. So maybe you could look. You understand this could happen. I mean, Ethereum to BTC could come up here, even go up to like 5.7 million sats, and make its lowest high, and then roll over later. You know that could happen, right? So, but it's terrible. Do you want to see like a really good example of a right-angled ascending broadening formation playing out in the exact same context? Look no further than the, you know, the fat, stupid developer scammer. It was beautiful. Oh yeah, it was right here. Oops. Here it is. I don't know, I used to have it plotted where it was just 1 and 2. I don't know what's going on. I thought there was a better one. I'm crazy. Yeah, I thought there was like a really good one on Hex. No, dude, I know there was. There was like a really good one on Hex. I guess that was it, right? Horizontal line support and upsloping resistance. Pretty simple stuff before it dumped again. I thought it was higher, though. I thought there was another one much higher. Maybe not. Whatever. I don't even like looking at this ever anymore after the rug. No, dude, it's another one. It's another Hex is superior after we rug pull this one. Okay, trying to think here. Let's go to US dollar tether dominance. Rarely do we go here, but I think it should be fun to just revisit. Oh my goodness. You got to wonder here. This is a big deal. All right, I've just had this demand line here for a very long time. I mean, for years. This demand line's been here, this teal one. And yeah, lots of distribution. Very bearish stuff, right? They confirmed a top and then 3 lower highs. And that confirmed distribution. And then collapse, trend reversed. Lower high, then you've run down and recently hit your lowest price since, or percentage since April of 2022. Multi-year lows are about to be. And look at this, man. Down 2.73% and breaking that demand line. Working on your lowest daily candle close since March 14th, which is really where US dollar tether dominance was at its lowest point. So this is kind of insane price action. Look at 4.71%. Tested once as resistance and then second as resistance. So what was once old resistance is now resistance twice. Better look out. This is good. This is very good for altcoins and crypto in general. Like you want that. That's, if you want altcoins and Bitcoin to go higher, you want bearish back tests of key levels after trend reversals. The trend is no longer your friend, really. I mean, look, you might need to go down to an 88% retrace, which is way lower. So it's probably around 3%, 3.08%. So that's a lot further. So that means altcoins have probably some upside after that price action. Or percentage action, because it's not price. Okay. What's going to happen on like the monthly? Oh my gosh. Working on the lowest monthly candle close since March 2022. So we're talking 2-year lows on US dollar tether dominance. After that bearish engulfing candle, you're now catching follow through. Beautiful. That's what you want, man. Very, very good. Quarterly, going for the lowest 3-month candle close since January 2022. Nice. Follow through after the last quarter. Let's go to Doge. Have in the chat for Doge. Okay, less than 16 minutes till your highest daily candle close. If all stays the same or higher, highest since November of 2021. So multi-year highs on a close. Let's go to the weekly. Remember double bottom? Remember double bottom, look at the back test, the dragon Doge. 30 years, good luck, of course. And now just running and working on your highest weekly candle close since November 15th, 2021. And then we go to the monthly and it's even more crazy. Look at this monthly candle. Look, dude, oh my God, right? Like the monthly looked like Ethereum back in 2020. Just a major double bottom. And look at it. It's like breakout happening. It will be the bullish breakout of the double bottom on the monthly confirmed in less than 15 minutes now. Gotta love it, man. Data. Well, I mean, you know, the trend is your friend. Better places, right? But 260 has been formally regarded as support. They're engulfing it again today. I mean, just your target from here, 372 to $4. Yeah, it's big overhead resistance. They break that, and you're going to get pandemonium, bullish pandemonium, $6, $8.50. Yeah, the trend's your friend, and they're consolidating up here. It's not bad, man, at all. My ARX, remember this is an incredible through rising valleys, played out for like a first target. It's pulling back. It's probably just going to put in a higher low than previous lows and run again back up to 3 to 3.4 tenths of 1 cent. Okay, it's just up today. So FTM, amazing back test on unfolding. Okay, they broke the key level from history. It's so real. The old overhead resistance from May of 2021, the old support from September 2021, right? That is not a joke. What was once support resistance is flipping to support with a bullish engulfing candle. Someone could try, if they wanted to, they could say, hey, this is a signal candle. And place stops accordingly, and then your upside takes you to 188 to 194. I mean, that's really, if this engulfing candle is real, and we have a good month or quarter coming up, talking about 88 to 94% upside on FTM above 88 to 95 cents. Incredible. This is not a joke, man. Just like the dragon, the bullish dragon down here wasn't a joke. This back test is not a joke either. What's up, Crypto Face? Happy Easter, man. Cheers. Check out Crypto Face if you haven't. He's on YouTube. He's an ally of our community. Okay. We don't have many. We are a pretty closed community, but we have a few that are content creators. Have in the chat. Altcoin still trade well, very close here, man. Right, what a brilliant harmonic, a brilliant trade setup in early February. Hit all three targets, exceeded temporarily, but is now back on this mega breakout. Watch, okay, above like $10, psychological, but just very real resistance from 2022, candle close from July 2022, February 2023 is the top of the harmonic resistance. You break this, man. I mean, yeah, you got like the local high, 1174. But dude, if it's a real breakout and it's not just a joke, the target is straight up, no doubt, 1683. So we're talking, if a breakout unfolds on Filecoin going into the next month and quarter, you have 68, let's just say 69%.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
And if they break that, then you have 100% upside on Filecoin, $20. Be above that. So the trend is your friend. Don't forget, we are in a confirmed uptrend on many altcoins. The trend's your friend. Remember, don't man bun. Don't keep trying to be right. We don't know where these assets are going next. All we can do is identify the trend, and then in the trend, we are identifying patterns that have good reliability and good performance, which would be bullish patterns and bullish trends, bullish breakouts. Just like the little double bottom at the beginning of February played out like, reliable and insane performance. So far, it's like the highest low of the entire uptrend has just been put in about 11 days ago. Major bullish engulfing candle will be confirmed in 10 minutes. We go to the weekly. You're working on a weekly bullish engulfing candle right up against resistance. Okay, nothing too crazy. And the monthly, working on the highest monthly candle close on Filecoin since April 2022. We're talking multi-year highs now, eclipsing that July 2022 high in 10 freaking minutes. Remember.
It's time for Power Hour.
This is Power Hour of all the hours. The last 10 minutes of the 3-month candle, the monthly candle, the weekly candle, the daily candle. Amen. Bullish and golden candle last month, catch and follow through. We go to the 3-month. We see it will be the highest 3-month candle since January 2022. A lot of upside, man. If they're just going to make common retraces. Okay, Filecoin. It's just one of them, right? Got to look at Maker because Maker is the king, man. Look at this. Tests the last level. The last big resistance until who knows, until all-time highs, until 6K plus. They break it, man. It's just number go up. I love the look, man. The confirmation low, it ran, sideways consolidation, old 2000 level being tested as support, holding and running, and now you're up against it, man. Like this is certainly where some people would be taking some profit. This is certainly where there'd be some supply. You get a pullback eventually, the next month or whatever. But still, if they break that, there's just nothing there until $6,000. And this asset's trading around $4,000, $3,920. ETC, the party is slow, but it is amazing. The highest low put in. Remember, this is a trade setup. The first target got hit. Pretty much the second target got hit. It didn't get hit by literally 12 cents or something. 12 cents. So you're going to run up, hit the second target, and then the third target is 45 plus. But this thing, man, it's an Adam and Eve double bottom. $60 eventually. It might be way later. But remember, the trend's your friend. The trend reversed. It was a bear trend, then it became a no trend, a desert. Up and down, sideways forever. And now, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Highest high, and then the highest low. Most recent discernible events on the chart. Ethereum Classic up 4.2%.
Is that a joint?
Okay, so again, let's look at the monthly. That's how the monthly will close. ETC, highest monthly candle close coming for the first time since July 2022. Visible double bottom. Believe me, dude. Just wait. The higher lows, man. Look, 2017, and then they bottomed it out in 2019, higher lows. Look, they bottomed it out 2022, 2023. This thing is in a long-term uptrend since inception. So that means that if we have a good cycle and the cycle's not ending soon, the halvening, and we have, Q3, Q4, where the mania part of the cycle comes in, where Bitcoin's 150K plus, dude, this is probably going to see all-time highs. Higher highs, higher lows. What are the most recent events on the monthly? The highest high and then the highest lows confirmed. Yeah, this is just the monthly. So it's you just might be waiting a while. But this looks exceptional. Most altcoin charts don't even look like this. You know how many freaking altcoins hit all-time lows before they bottomed out and started rallying again? This one's not doing that. More than before. For 7 years, really. I mean, it started 7 years ago, this chart. Let's look at the, I think we had a request. Let me look at it real quick. You know, gotten far enough into the stream to do that. Here's the quarterly total, man. 5 minutes till the quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily candle close. Enjoy the live stream, the like button, the bell, the sub. Excuse me. Sorry. I can't even remember if we were, was I even live since Vera, V-A-R-A, hit the first target of the trade setup? I can't even remember. Maybe. Guess it doesn't matter. I think I did, but maybe I didn't. Let's see. I'm looking here. Hold on. Booted wrapped ether. You know, okay, it's again 90% plus retrace in the candle open from December 2023. Yeah, deep enough. But do I, again, illiquid S coin up 10.65% today. I don't really care. I don't think I would do anything. Like they're, you know, the buyers are attempting to break this 2953 level. Okay, cool. Remember, it's all about the framework. I mean, like, you're at the area where the framework could apply, but I don't really see anything that's that spectacular outside of buyers today trying to break back above the February 15th low. If it's real, and hey, easy target each one, right? Like 4740, 5330, 6400. You know, what every overhead resistance at a time could act as a role for reversal. Well, whatever. Not much to look at. Not a very. I mean, I appreciate the $25 contribution. It's just. It's Buddha coin on wrapped ether. They're normally going to look like garbage. Okay. So thank you again, Mr. Hugehead. Ugh. Change your name, dude. Oh my God. Okay. Spell token for Conrad. This Bitcoin is, wow. 3 minutes. If it all stays the same. Or greater, 3 minutes away from Bitcoin having its highest 4-hour candle close in 2 weeks. We'll see if that lasts. Incredible. All right. We should do like look on the 8s right now. Maybe not get too deep into a request until after that. Yeah, let's just do a 1 minute longer or early local on the 8s. The local 8s of the local 8s, man. This is the big one. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Top of the hour. That's... My God, are they going to do it? Are they going to bullish Mara Bazoo this thing? If we close at the highs of the day, it will be a very rare bullish Mara Bazoo. Show me where Bitcoin is actually Mara Bazooing.
Sleepy T super chatted $49.99. $49.99 from Sleepy T. He is risen indeed. Can you look Hoganit Wolf for me again? Thanks, Mitch.
Sleepy T, thank you for the $50 super chat. Hype in the chat. We will look at Wolf, the Bitcoin miner. We will, dude. Much love. This is a big deal. Please tell me the last time you saw it. See it, 1 minute, 40 seconds. They could pull it back and it doesn't close at the highs, right? But Mara Bazoo means scalped head in Japanese, meaning like there's no hair, whatever. So that means like no wicks, a 0 wick candle, complete buyer domination the whole day. The day of Jesus resurrecting was the day that Bitcoin had its highest close, and possibly since March 30. If it goes any higher in the next 60 seconds, really, you could be working on your 3rd highest daily candle close ever, but you're just shy. Very close. Yeah, on no volume. Okay. Where are the sellers, dude? Remember the trend, like no volume, but the trend, the bots are set. It's all like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, breaking old resistance from history, back testing it, engulfing, holding. Like low volume or not, dude. All right, 30 seconds, chat. We are witnessing history. Thank you so much if you're in here on this Easter Sunday. You could be doing anything, but we're about to have some very nice stuff happening. I mean, like at least history with the closes going in the books. Thank you for the 1,063 people tuned in. If you're enjoying Jesus rising from the dead and Bitcoin rising and pumping on the news, the Jesus news, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank you for being here. Please be sure to join the Discord if you have not. And there it is. There it is. We have a confirmed highest quarterly candle close in human history, the highest monthly candle close in human history, and the highest weekly candle close in human history. We please get them out of the chat. We don't get out of the chat, this thing's over.
Look here. Look, listen. That boy is good.
There it is. Mega engulfing candle on the weekly. And just completely confirmed breakout above the old all-time high. Holy crap, man. All right, we'll go back to it. We did it, dude. And let's see, did we do it? Nope, we did not. And that's how close it was. It was only the highest 4-hour candle close since March 28th, so nothing burger, no big deal. I mean, you've been just, there's just been too much supply around 71.5.
$19.99 from Natch. Pendle. So I know I missed this, but I'd like to know from an educational perspective when I should have looked at it. Christ is King. Happy Easter.
Notch, thank you so much for the $20 super chat. We can look at Pendle. I know Crypto Hoarder is obsessed with Pendle, and he's made a lot of money on it. Pendle bot, Diablo 2. That's all I think about when I see Pendle. Pendle bot, get me some sojas, dude. All right? What a freaking Easter Sunday. A historic Easter Sunday. Incredible. Like, you can't even, what a day. It's so good. Overwhelmed with happiness.
Hi Mitch, could you take a look at
DSO/USD
on Coinbase? Is it still accumulation or distribution? Thanks.
Dr. Triple Fish, thank you for the $20 contribution. Look at Dezo, yes. I now have the holy Jesus beams, okay? My power grows as an angel. Thank you, Jesus. How is it echoing? Dude, this is so stupid. The hotkey doesn't work anymore. Gosh dang it, man. I have to like manually go in and click. Oh, no, the problem is it works like kind of sometimes. So like, I don't even know what to do. Okay, no more echo. We're good, man. I'm sorry about that. I really am. Like, in beginning of the stream, I also apologize for that. So, just to look at it, here's your highest monthly candle close in human history, and then your highest quarterly candle close in human history. We've done it, man. Freaking done it. And it did not Marabazoo. There was a little bit of hair, right? Not a completely scalped head, the Japanese would say. There was a wig. Dang. But it was confirmed your fifth highest candle close ever. Yeah, the echo sounds holy, but it detracts from the purpose of the voice, which is trying to help and educate and inform. Okay, where it can be like, it's echoing. I don't know, I'm distracted. Huh? Also, big shout out to Checkmate 8060. Thank you for the 8 months of continued support in the Citadel/Patreon. Really appreciate that, man. And then M. Brandt, thank you for the 6 months of continued support of this 100% crowdsourced stream. Never accepted a dime from any entity to push on you. Never monetized on YouTube. I play copyright music, so I can't anyway. No affiliate marketing links have ever been chilled or pushed here in your face. How many minutes or hours of your life have I saved you by not monetizing with ads? Think about it, man. So if you want to support this community, tomorrow is the first day of the month, which is the absolute best day to join the Patreon. Wait till tomorrow, though. If you want to join in the premium Discord, you can join anytime to do that. But again, it's the single best way to contribute and support this community and channel, because it's not just me. You're also supporting the team. Like, my team gets a cut of the Patreon and Citadel for the work they do. So that's what I'm saying. That's why it's good to join that way. Okay. You can tip on stream, buy merch, but you know. Okay. So there it is, man.
Hey Mitch,
incredible stuff.
Streamed crashed the other day right after I requested
Yeah,
XLM.
we can look at it.
Can we check it
Deja,
out?
it doesn't work.
The Discord
Brad,
link didn't work.
do we have a new
pin.
link? We have a new link. Deja, we'll look at it. Okay, yeah, I know that I did miss that. I forgot which one it was. I'm not sure. Man Buns Bearish, what's new? I can't even believe he shows his face on live streams or video anymore. Like, it's clown. It's scam. Like, how many is like Bearish every $5,000? He's Bearish. Like, who cares? Like, how's that guy got so much following? Like, I don't understand. Dude, like, I don't even know. I can't even. It's unfathomable to me. Yes, Hot Studios, they are identical. Okay, they're identical. It's just that, yeah, well, anyway, Brad could type it in the chat better than me explaining. So, all right, let's just real quick look at Solana. That, oh, it was so close, wasn't it? Did they do it? Oh my gosh, they did do it. It was the highest daily candle close confirmed on Solana since December 2021. That means that it maybe was the highest monthly close ever. I'm trying to remember. What the heck? What's going on? No, it was so close, man. It was your... So close, Alon. My God, dude. I don't... Let's just say it was your third highest monthly candle close ever, but almost second, about the second highest ever. Okay. Then quarterly, it was the highest 3-month candle close ever on Sol. It was your second highest candle close on
Sending you a
Ethereum
follow-up
ever
request,
in 3
my
months.
friend. Happy Jesus.
Donnie, thank you so much, man. Follow up. Well, let me see. Because I think you were another one that... I'm confused, Donnie. What happened? What was the... Could you just type in the chat what you mean? Just let me know in the chat, okay? Donnie.
See what happens, Larry?
You're out of your element, Donnie, okay? And all-time highs on the 3-month total market cap chart. The highest, was it? It was officially.
Double
my
top.
gosh, man, that is so spectacular. Wait. Oh my God, man. Nah, it was the second highest monthly candle close ever. Okay, just shy of the highest. But hey, if it's gonna go the way it's been looking, or the trend's gonna continue, then you're looking for all-time highs at some point, very soon-ish. And by the way, it's confirmed now, bullish engulfing candle and a key bullish breakout back above the old overhead resistance from May of 2021. Very, very nice. Let me show it. Spell and XLM. Okay. But follow-up request. Well, what's the follow-up? Or like, Okay, I understand the follow-up, but what's the request for Donnie, you know?
Bitch, I want you as my VP. Apologies for the short coin, but it's my short coin. MAGA Tether USD on Bitmart Gartley. Trump Ray 2024. Happy Jesus.
Donnie, is that what you were talking about? Is that what you meant? Could someone type that in the chat for me real quick so I don't forget it, because I don't have a log of that up on Tangia. Thank you, dude. Okay, Ethereum confirmed bullish engulfing candle above the overhead resistance, just kind of like a total. And the highest daily candle close since, I think, like March 15th. Very nice. 2 weeks. That's very good. Okay. Let's go to, let's see which one was, it was GFI, I think, was next. No, let's do XLM because, yeah, I did miss that one. And that was last stream. It was because my internet screwed up. So, it's, you know, it's very good. It's incredible. It's very, I mean, it's like, you know, it's better than XRP in my opinion. It just, same type of like methodical price action, higher highs, higher lows. This highest low right here, I don't know. Because the thing with it is there's so much like, there's overhead resistance, like at 14.2 cents, 16 cents, 17 cents. After 17 cents, things start getting magical, like yeah, huge markup potential. But you still, like, there's just supply. So that churning, buyers, I think, like, because the trend is your friend, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Look, more than before, most than before. More market participants involved in XLM than there has been confirmed, right? Not really, I mean, you don't have like a double bottom here or anything, but this higher low than this low and this low. So that's the most than before since this trend reversed. And so I think like eventually you'll see 16.18 cents, 17 cents again. And if they're ever able to break that, then you are looking for a 23 cent target and beyond. That's it, man. That's XLM. It's looking fine. Probably a little bit better than XRP. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Brad. The next one was GFIE. Nope. Yep. GFIE. On Coinbase. Well, I know he said this. He said, you're looking for a target on this run. You're thinking 660, he says. Not much here, right? I mean, like... Man, they're breaking that resistance, aren't they? Holy crap. 660, you say, huh? And you're just talking about that the inception candle, the open, the first open. Sure, yeah, like whatever. That makes sense. 660, 687, that's your next target, certainly. And then above that would be the highest candle close ever, which would be 12 bucks. So, oh, doubling in price, really? If it continues, I don't know. It's an S coin, man. This thing could pump, dump, whatever. It's going berserk, though. It's been going berserk, right? It's up stupid amounts and high premium, but it sounds like he's in it, and he's just asking about the next levels on the chart, and there are just two, and it's the 670 level, 690 all the way, and then after that would be $12. So 1 and 2. That's it. That's all I got for you on this, okay? The train is less the station. If you wanted to participate in risk management appropriately or optimally, it is not this chart. That would have been, it would have been in February, January to February, like many others. Or if you wanted to in October. October, yep. And then January, yep. That's when like a ton of trade setups are posted then and there. Because, right, we have to wait for consolidation to occur in order to be able to manage our risk with pattern recognition, back tests of inflection points, divergencies, all that stuff. That only appears and occurs during consolidation, not during impulses. So currently, GFI is at the slot machine. But if you're in on it, congratulations on the asset breaking out. You got a lot of upside. If it's going to continue, sooner rather than later, you got 26 up to 30% upside from here. Okay. Thank you, dude. Let's see here. Next one was Wolf, the crypto Bitcoin miner. TerraWolf. But it's green, man. It's green, yeah. Higher lows. More than before. Most than before, right? One low, the second low, the third low. This is very, very powerful looking stuff. I mean, like, yeah, it may pull back. You can go to 176 again, and it's going to make a higher low. But yeah, this is great. I mean, it looks like they're bottoming it out. Someone's accumulating a position, a sizable position. The higher lows indicate that. And anything above 232 is pretty good. 232 goes back to, oh yeah, look, 232, 1996. What happened after that? 232 all the way up to $6. Shoot, man. It's tough, man. The miners have been performing pretty miserably lately, and that I think is just due to all those ETFs that came out. So yeah, you've got 3 valleys, and the third valley, on the third day, Jesus rose again. And I was thinking about it, and I'm like, the rule of 3 is such a crazy phenomenon on like charts, and it's like, it's biblical, dude. No wonder. Okay. So anytime an asset's making a third valley, looking to be resurrected, dude. Okay, resolution with a Jesus impulse. So you're doing it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, $4, $6. If this is going to continue, that's Wolf. Let's see here. So I guess the next one was like that MAGA one. TUSD. Huh? Nah, that's not it. It's MAGA. It's a tether. There's Trump to US dollar tether, but there's not MAGA. There's MAGA to US dollar tether. Gotcha. Bitmart. You know, there's not much data, but it looks like higher lows than before. And if you think about, like, if they don't just straight up steal the election again, a base is forming, a low, and then a local higher low, almost a confirmation low here. Yeah, I mean, easy target. Like a million whatevers. Okay, that's like 1/100,000th of a penny or something stupid. Okay. Yeah. So that's the target. Okay. Stop loss below 358,000. Okay, and then that's the target. They break that. 1.5 million, 2 million. There you go. Make America great again to Tether. Remember, there's nothing wrong with wanting to have safe cities, not having third world migrants in the millions come and replace you, investing in infrastructure, our bridges, our roads. Okay, there's nothing wrong with not wanting to spend all our money, taxpayer money that we don't even have, on foreign entities. It's okay to not want that. Don't believe what the loser, evil people are trying to tell you. It's okay to want to preserve freedom. Okay, Pendle for Natch. You didn't specify. Wow, beautiful, dude. It's freaking gone. Not much to do here, but yeah, he's talking about. He said, educational perspective. When I should have looked at it. Okay. The bullish engulfing candle at an inflection point on the 20th would have been great, right? It's easy to manage risk situation. Bullish divergence was there on the histogram. Or great time to look at it. Like literally, if there's a newer asset you find out there and you see this, request it. It was a clear as day through rising valleys. Like yeah, classic accumulation was going on and concluded in October, just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin had the 12-hour through rising valleys. So that was a good time for pattern recognition. Okay. And then if you wanted as close to 99 cents as you could possibly have it. A lot of scam wicks, man. It was tough, but that was probably the best for pattern recognition, accumulation, all that stuff, man. Doing what Bitcoin was doing. Yeah, always pull up the wrong mega chart, dude. As in, like, that was the first time I literally ever looked at it. And it's like, that's your fault. Like, if you request something that is obscure or no one's ever heard of it, like whatever, some S coin, it's your responsibility to tell me what exchange or what ticker literally identically to what you want. Otherwise, you run the risk of me looking at the asset you didn't want me to look at. That's your fault. There's nothing I can do about that. So Pendle, all-time highs right now, up 2.41%. Yeah, Conrad, it's upon us. It is upon us. Just getting through the one at a time, right? It's like an order.
$19.
I did look at Bitmart. I literally looked at Bitmart. What are you talking about? I said Bitmart, man. I was like, oh, I guess, yeah, Bitmart. I clicked and we were there. Well, Big T, man, or Big G, go ahead, man. Like, if you think what's happening with our government, if you think like it's right, you're not my friend. If you think what they're doing right now, weaponizing alphabet agencies against our own citizens and political opponents, you're the enemy. That's it. Like, if people on one side or the other were doing what they're doing, I don't care what side I'm on. I know it's wrong, objectively wrong and evil. Yeah, well, guess what, man? No one specified that. No, you can't give me the wrong ticker and then be like, oh, well, you looked at the wrong thing. It's like, no, you're crazy. I mean, above $5 on Pendle, who knows, dude? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, each dollar amounts now psychological resistance. You have no idea how high these S coins can fly. Yeah, spell token now. Oh. Okay, let's just spell it. Well, trend reverse. Definitely looks like a lot of the other S coins out there. Clearly tell. Time to look at this, to really care. Look at the accumulation that was ongoing, the third valley in late January. It was there. No one's requesting. Like, I can't look at 18,000 S coins. It's not my fault. Okay, I look at as many S coins as I can, and then traditional assets and commodity, and then it's like, okay, you should be requesting assets when they're showing the third valley. When other assets are doing well, right? Things are going well. Like, hey man, dang dude, look at this one. It's like 1, and then 2, and then 3. It was there, and it's gone now. But now it's like coin flips. Now it's like, hey, you can't manage risk really here. Man, this song's terrible, dude. Like, it's like Jesus is about to give up on us because of that song. Oh my God. So flip your coin. It goes back down to 10,000, which is 1/10 of 1 penny. Flip your coin, it runs up to 1.6 of 1 penny. And that's it, man. Like, the big breakout is 1.9 of 1 penny. Above that is nothing burger till 3.2 of 1 penny. Worthless. Okay. But it's good. Like it seems like, okay, you got higher lows. Now you got a higher high in the previous highs. You got a higher low, maybe the highest low of the new trend. And this thing could go, the problem is, you know, it could go down to 6.7 100ths of a penny and back test these old levels and still be in an uptrend. That's the problem. When assets are up at these levels, it's just like, the trend's not threatened until the previous discernible swing low is taken out, which is way lower. So that's what makes it kind of tough here. But yeah, it seems like they're trying to reverse things. Susan Hater, go watch the beginning of the stream. Yeah, it looks like, I mean, maybe it's like one low, then the second low. Kind of in a way, a little bit, just a little bit. IMX stuff, you know, IMX is way better. You know, it's in a crazy uptrend, I know. Bearish divergence played out, but pretty miserable performance, and buyers recaptured 270, 285. You're good. Sorry. Okay. Or was it? Yeah. So that S-Coin looks like this one, maybe a little bit, you know. At least on this one, you can try to minimize your losses with stop losses strategically below 270, but the other one's kind of tough because no man's land. Okay. Pendle, then Deso for Dr. Triple-Fish. I know Dr. Triple-Fish loves Deso, man. That's his thing. Well, to me, it looks bad. Yeah, I know you requested this too, so sorry. I know I posted about it too, I think. But the highest high, then a markdown, and then this rally, and they attempt to rally, and it's a lower high than the previous high, less than before, and then they kind of confirmed it, and it's now rolling over, and it's like, man, you're at a really, I mean, this is like death or glory situation here on this asset. Okay, like if someone wanted to, they could strategize an entry and a stop loss below 27.95. They could. But just know, right? Like what happens when these structures develop? I mean, easily something like this can happen. Okay, just know, like, yeah, 886. This would, you know, understand the asset could go to $13 and still be in an uptrend. It would be the highest low of the trend, and it could lose all that value, over half its value, and still be fine, technically. Because if we just let what's happening, Big G, continue, like, we won't even be able to trade anymore. They'll stop us. They'll prevent us from doing what we're doing. They'll start taxing unrealized gains for all the citizens. Everything we do will be destroyed by the state. That's why you're the enemy. If you just think, oh, it's, I don't, you know, your political view, like, whatever, man. I just want to preserve what was founded in 1776, 1865. Civil rights movement, all that. I want that all preserved. That's why you can't just be like, catch the game last night and not give a crap. You have to. The hour's late. Things are getting real bad now, if you haven't noticed. Did Cars 10 want an asset? Did he request something? Cars 10, looking up, scrolling up. I don't know. Cars 10, can you say something if you requested something, man? Just no, I know it's no words, but no one's ganging up, okay? But it's like if I have a microphone and a webcam or whatever, it's like it's kind of like, man, we can't do anything about it, but I can at least like, if you respect my opinion, like I'm just telling you what's happening, what I think's happening with my own very eyes, and it is occurring. It's just like, dude, sometimes it sometimes does go beyond traditional technical analysis because like TA will be destroyed.
Well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Thank you, dude. Thank you, Big Lebowski, man. God. Okay, so I mean, like your upside's limited based on the run, but it also is at a level where if the buyers defend this level right here, right, from 2022, there could be insane upside. It's just you're looking like your X, A, B, C. The better time to give a crap about DESA was down here, like back in October, like many other assets. We were here looking at them and it ran up and now it's just been topping. I mean, it hasn't done crap since December. Mark, it's in the description. It's called Tangia. All right. It's true. Can't really avoid politics when politics is affecting your everyday life. Makes it so you can't afford a home. Makes it so you lose your freedom of speech and religion. Makes it so you lose. Yeah. And they will just continue coming for more and more of our rights. They want you dependent on the state so that they can continue growing the state and the government. More and more jobs. You know, in Canada, for instance, in less than 10 years, their government has grown by 50%.
$9.99 from Greg P. Hey Mitchie, so we're in the end game now. Can't say I didn't warn everyone. If any of you think the people in charge won't blow up the dollar in order to keep the world going, you're delusional.
Greg P, thanks for the 10, dudes. No, they are. It's not like they won't blow it up. Like they're doing it. They're blowing up the dollar right now. Like George Washington even said, the last thing that a failing empire does is rob the coffer. This is robbing the coffer. What the people, like whatever, Congress, they are omnibus bills, $1 trillion plus over and over and over, and they don't stop. And there's all this, like, where's all this money going? Like that's robbing, they're stealing. And they're gonna destroy the system and they're just gonna rebuild it. Central bank digital currencies, surveillance state. They're gonna be like communist China. They're already doing it in the UK and all over Europe. Like it'll just be, America will be the last one to fall, but the corrosion is accelerated rate.
Currency accounts with compounding interest and it's gone.
That's right, it's gone, dude. Okay, I don't know where on this crap long. It's like, yeah, it could hold, it could rally. But it's like, it already had a nice run. And they're showing like distribution. I don't know. I don't act like I know where, and I don't act like I know if buyers are going to defend a level successfully. Even if it rallies, be on the lookout for a lower high than these highs. Okay, just because it rallies here doesn't mean, oh, dude, you said it was, nope. Rally, make lower high less than before, dumps, test again, then breaks. Yeah, there's probably a little bit of demand here, at least, yeah. Yeah, you got these people in our government that like, oh, one person was a bartender and now they have like $30 million plus net worth. It's all a scam, fraud. These people don't represent us. They're our enemies. The enemies of freedom and liberty have full control of our government now. They do not represent us. We're being taxed without representation. It's happening. But everyone has too much to lose. So no one's going to take action. Everyone's bought and paid for that has positions of power. It's crazy. It's like mafia, man. Okay, well, I've been live now, hour and a half, you know. We've looked at some assets, some history was made today. It's incredible. But we're probably not going to see much movement until the stock market opens again. Because Wall Street owns Bitcoin now. They control it. Like completely. Thanks for the 444 likes. I really appreciate it. Well, if Altcoin's pumping means we're breaking out. So thank each and every one of you for attending the Easter Sunday stream. We love freedom. We know it's under attack. Yeah. And we love TA, we love Jesus. Okay, so I'll just be back. Until next time, respect the TA.